Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Grubhub drivers application quickly and easily just in few steps. To download your Grubhub drivers application, firstly open your Play Store. Search for an application and install it by clicking on an install button. But in case if you can't find the application or the app download is not available in your region, open your Google search. Type in Grubhub driver APK download and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Scroll all the way down and tap on download. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Grubhub drivers application in your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.